We should get a video of me pulling up this super heavy honey frame. I think these two have been built together.
Oh my gosh. Holy shit.
Wow.
That's crazy.
So that's one that we're gonna take. So we have harvested some honey from the White House Hive, and I just thought I'd do one more video on separating the double frames, just because that's one of the more common questions I get a lot. So this one, let's see. Pretty nice honey frame. Let's see how easily these will break apart. Knife. There definitely is some propolis in there. They've sealed it up nicely. And just with a little score. And away we go. Look at that. So then both of these could then fit in a honey extractor. I'm currently without a honey extractor, and I just took a couple frames, so we're crushing this. Bees are doing really well this year, and so we've got a couple frames of honey already crushed into this pot, and we're just gonna keep going. But hopefully this was answers some concerns if you're thinking about trying this. Yeah, it's really good. Anyways, happy beekeeping.